Cassia Vale. Team, we've received an urgent distress signal from the Silphorian Homeworld. Let's prepare for departure. Dr.Orion, this could be a major issue if their communication system is down. Zara Blaze, I'm ready to get this ship in the air. Let's see what's causing the problem. Rax, I'll make sure our equipment is in top shape for whatever we face. Sylphorian Leader, welcome, heroes. Our communication system has collapsed and chaos is spreading. Cassia Vale, we're here to help. Let's start by assessing the damage. Dr.Orion, I'll begin by examining the malfunctioning devices. Zara Blaze, I'll check for any physical damage or malfunctions in the hardware. Dr.Orion, these interference patterns are unlike anything I've seen before. Zara Blaze, there's no visible damage to the devices. This seems to be more complex. Rax, I'm picking up strange readings from the atmosphere. This might be where the interference is coming from. Cassia Vale, we need to investigate these atmospheric disturbances. Let's suit up for an outer atmosphere scan. Zara Blaze, all systems are checked. We're ready to go. Dr.Orion, keep an eye on your instruments. We don't know what to expect out there. Rax, there are glowing disturbances all around. This must be where the interference is originating. Cassia Vale, I'm seeing what appears to be entities emitting chaotic energy. We need to identify them. Cassia Vale, let me try to communicate with these beings. I'll use the translator device. Echo Wraith, curious, what are you doing here? Cassia Vale, we're here to resolve the issue you're causing with the Sylphorian communication. Dr.Orion, I'm detecting that their energy is not inherently harmful. They seem to be drawn to the signals. Zara Blaze, if we can integrate their energy with our technology, it might solve the problem. Let's work on a new device. Rax, I'll handle the negotiations with the wraiths. We need their cooperation to make this work. Cassia Vale, we're proposing to create a device that harmonizes with your energy. Can we count on your help? Echo Wraith, harmonize, we will assist. Dr.Orion, let's start designing the device. We need to ensure it can handle the wraith's energy. Zara Blaze, I'll work on the technical aspects. We need to create something that can sync with their frequencies. Rax, I'll coordinate with the wraiths to ensure they provide stable energy for the device. Echo Wraith, device ready soon? Cassia Vale, we're almost done. Your cooperation has been crucial to this process. Dr.Orion, we've encountered an unexpected glitch. Let's find out what went wrong. Zara Blaze, I'm troubleshooting the hardware. It's essential we get this right. Rax, I'll work with the wraiths to stabilize their energy emissions. That might be causing the problem. Cassia Vale, we need to fix this quickly. The Sylphorians are depending on us. Dr.Orion, we've identified the issue. Adjusting the energy modulation should solve the glitch. Zara Blaze, I'm making the final adjustments. Let's test it again. Rax, the wraith's energy is stabilizing. We should be able to complete the device soon. Cassia Vale, the device is working perfectly now. We've succeeded. Sylphorian Leader, you've done it. Our communication system is restored. Thank you. Cassia Vale, it was a team effort. We're glad to have helped. Sylphorian Leader, we present you with this crystal as a symbol of our gratitude. Cassia Vale, thank you. It's a beautiful token of our partnership. Dr.Orion, it's been an honor working with you all. Zara Blaze, we've achieved something amazing here. Let's celebrate our success. Rax, we've restored peace and unity. That's what matters most. Cassia Vale, as we leave, remember the importance of understanding and cooperation. Dr.Orion, the galaxy is a little more connected now. Zara Blaze, ready for our next adventure? Rax, always. There's more to explore and discover. Cassia Vale, in the vast universe, unity and understanding are the greatest powers. Until next time.